YouTube, what's good, y'all? I don't know if I can tell by the title of the video or whatever, but we at the gun range, y'all. And y'all, I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. It's my first time at a shooting range, y'all. Let's see how it go. Alright, y'all, we in here. They got us doing some range operation safety rules. Y'all had to come back outside because I left my ID. I gotta have ID, y'all. Even though I'm not 18, I gotta have my ID. Let's see. I got her. I'll see y'all when I get back inside then. What's that one right there? Under that one with the bones. Yeah.
The one you want?
Yeah. Yeah. Get back to it. Alright. Do a headshot. Yo, y'all see it? You see where I was aiming for? As y'all seen, straight to the face. You know what I'm saying?
I hope so.
Okay. One, two, three, four. I tried to hit it. Yeah. All right, y'all. That's that. Y'all nothing but headshots, y'all. Straight headshots. Let's see. Let's see what it look like. All right, y'all. Last one. Last one.
I have one, but it's just like big hands. Big hands.
Let's see how good I did. Yeah. I think I had the best one so far. A little better than all of yours. I gotta clean up, y'all. I gotta clean up after y'all.
Every time I go to a place like this, forgot it.
Alright, y'all. That's that, y'all. Look, next time I come, we gotta get that, though. We gotta get one of those, y'all. We got to. That's just like, we just got to, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna shoot one of these, y'all. I'm gonna shoot one of them right there. Y'all see the little Drakes. But yeah. What they got over here? What they got over here? Okay. Well, y'all, how we go, Dad?
Went great. Got some frustration off, bust a couple.
You know what I'm saying? Hit some paper in their head. You think I was gonna do better or worse than I did?
You did good. You did real good.
You think so? Alright, well, y'all heard it here first, y'all. First time in the gun range. I guess I did real good.
It ain't easy to control a gun the first time and hit headshots and shit the first time. Like, even the dude standing next to us was looking at you shoot. He was like, "Oh, he's pretty good." I said, "Yeah, this is first time."
I hope so.
Okay. Y'all mess with the Scat Pack trucks? Let me know. Comment down below right now. But yeah, alright, y'all, so we better go get something to eat. And yeah, I'll touch base with y'all back when we get there.
Psych! I don't got a cape. I get more Humpty or I'm than a Humpty man. She get real Humpty, I make her do Humpty then. He read a text and it made him feel ugly, man. Aha, dickhead.